Hey guys, USA Tractor Joe. I'm trying to figure out how to, what I can do to quiet this quiet line down. Now the motor mounts are good, you know that, and I showed you a little trick over there, what I could do to quiet the hinges down, how to tighten them up. Well, anyways, make a long story short, here's the hood hinge from the 1450. I just removed it, and trying not to get my hands greasy because they're clean, but you can see it's very loose. I mean, it flops around. It's very loose. Okay, just wanted you guys to see that. It's worn, but I mean, it still works. There's the 1250, and here's the 1250 hood hinge. It's very tight. It don't flap around or nothing. It's got a nice tight joint in it, and I'm just about ready to primer this with the paint I just showed you, and nice improvement here. I mean, there's a couple things you can do. You can repair this and make it tight. You can buy a new one that is tight, or you could find yourself a tight, used part. And I don't know what I'd do without used parts tractors. That thing there, that 1250, was saved, and I recommend that you guys save as many of them as you possibly can. You can fix the parts up and sell them, just hold on to them. If you're a die-hard Cub Cadet enthusiast like myself, then that's what you want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and get that painted. There's the 1450, and I'll update later when it's done. Alright, thanks guys.